In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your username on Brainly. So you can't do it on the Brainly app. You will have to go to a browser. So you can go to Chrome, Safari on iPhone, any browser, and you just want to go to brainly.in, and I'll link that in the description so you can just go ahead and click on it from there. And then once you've gone to the Brainly website and you're logged in, all you need to do is scroll all the way to the bottom. Now it might prompt you to download the app while you're scrolling down, but just close that out. And then you want to go ahead and tap on Contact Us underneath Help right here. So tap on Contact Us. And you want to select a category for your support ticket. So I'm going to select technical issue. And then you need to enter in your question. So I'll just type something really quick. So I've just typed something here and I said, "Hi, I made a mistake when creating my username. Could you change it to I'm Steve P88?" And then all you would have to do is tap on the blue send button. That support ticket will be sent and they will get back to you within 48 hours, and then they'll be able to assist you with changing your username. So that is how you would change your username on Brainly. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.